providing a service is all about customer trust. At RITES, we work to fulfill that trust. A multidisciplinary consultancy organization in transport, infrastructure and related technology, providing comprehensive array of services. Expotech division that exports rolling stock produced in India to other railway systems overseas. Global domain knowledge of transport sector, having worked in over 55 countries worldwide. Technical expertise of over 4 decades as a leading player in the transport consultancy and engineering sector. Partners with clients in technology absorption by using local resources as an effective instrument, sharing its expertise for planning, maintenance and upgradation. Highly skilled manpower work with the Indian Railways production units such as the Integral Coach Factory, who have created more than 50,000 coaches since inception in more than 500 variants. A creative genius that blossoms with innovation for every new project to offer a promise of so much to so many in so short a time, shaping the future of rail transport. All designs validated by finite element analysis (FEA) to ensure reliability and design validation. Custom manufacturing of state-of-the-art rail vehicle to suit markets and requirements worldwide. Attention given to detail by looking at the big picture of safety and focusing on the smallest details of comfort, facilitating a journey that's personal and enjoyable. An ISO 9001 company where excellence is tradition. And so we enjoy a repeat clientele like the Sri Lanka Railways, for whom we have supplied 120 DMU coaches in 2012. We have now launched the state-of-the-art AC/AC DMU train sets for Sri Lanka Railways, consisting of 78 coaches with 5 different variants. DMUs are used for short and medium distance travel in non-electrified sections. These DMUs are a shining example of Make in India. Each rake formation consists of 13 cars. 2 driving power cars, each powered by a 1,800 horsepower onboard diesel engine with a state-of-the-art, highly reliable traction control system of 3-phase AC/AC type, ergonomic driving console, air-conditioned drivers and guards cabins with crew toilet. Two air-conditioned chair cars with plush interiors, 360 degrees rotatable reclining seats. Onboard infotainment system with individual audio volume control at each seat. Sensor-operated, electrically controlled automatic sliding doors, and with underslung 42 kVA power generating set to cater to the AC units. 2 trailer coaches with business class accommodation, having cushioned seats with reclining backrests, glass-bottomed extruded aluminium luggage racks, universal charging sockets, and centralized passenger audio system. GPS-based passenger information system has been provided in all coaches. 5 trailer coaches with economy class accommodation with stainless steel handrails and sleek handholds, oscillating type fans and LED lighting, modern design 2-flap aluminium windows with glass shutters, stainless steel and glass partitions in the doorway areas, and sliding vestibule doors with glass lookouts. 2 driving trailer cars with complete driver's controls and guards cabins as in the DPCs, and with economy class accommodation, having facilities for persons with disabilities, including disabled-friendly toilets. As Sri Lanka has substantial sections of track along the coast, the car body and all interior fittings have been made of extremely high-quality austenitic stainless steel to prevent corrosion. The car body is painted with anti-graffiti paint with bogies and underframe coated with special paint. Flexible sealed gangways with integrated fall plates are provided for seamless inter-coach movement. Halogen-free rubber-on-rubber flooring and soundproof cork sandwich board for sound insulation, and Shaku couplers for a jerk-free and smooth ride. The DMU is equipped with high-tech bogies with pneumatic springs in secondary suspension and helical springs in primary suspension. In addition to a pneumatic twin-pipe air brake system, the train set is also provided with dynamic, that is, electrical rheostatic brakes with a self-loading facility for system testing. Yes, we make rolling stock with precision crafted performance.